There's quite a few different methods out there in order to fish your live shrimp. I'm going to show you one of the most popular methods, which is just with a popping cork connected to your main line, and then you have your fluorocarbon leader here. This one's about 4 foot long. We are using a J hook. You can use any hook. You can use a circle hook. Any hook will work just fine. So I'm going to show you two methods when you're rigging live shrimp, and one of them is you basically go through the notch in the back of the tail here. That's one of the most reinforced, strongest parts of a shrimp. So you go through the notch, and basically you just run it through to the other side, just like that. And so that would be, that would be a natural presentation to the fish. And basically the shrimp can go ahead and flip and do his thing in the water and be presented correctly. And then the other method of rigging a live shrimp with your popping cork is, let me just take this hook back out, is going through this little notch up here, this little like horn that comes out in the front of the shrimp here. This is a reinforced hard part of their shell as well. So if you just go with your hook, go right underneath that little ridge and then immediately up to the top, he'll be presented naturally again. He'll be in the water like that. So he can swim and do his thing. And once again, it'll be harder for a shrimp. Stop it, buddy. Once again, it would be harder for a fish to take that off of the hook because you went through that hard part there. So that's going to keep it on the hook. So those are two different ways to rig live shrimp.